Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many makers and DIY enthusiasts face when working with ESP32 boards, specifically the Fire Beetle version. If you've ever struggled with getting your solenoid lock to work properly with this board, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, we'll explore the possible reasons why your solenoid lock might not be functioning correctly, and walk through a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out with ES32 projects, this video aims to provide a comprehensive explanation that's easy to follow. So, let's dive in. To start off, it's essential to understand the basic principles of how solenoid locks work and their compatibility with the ESP32 Fire Beetle board. A solenoid lock is an electromechanical device that uses an electromagnetic coil to move a metal piston, which in turn activates or deactivates the locking mechanism. When it comes to controlling these locks using an ESP32 board, there are several factors that come into play. One common issue is that the solenoid lock requires a higher current rating than what the ES32's GPIO pins can provide. The Fire Beetle version of the ESP32 has limited current output capabilities, which might not be sufficient to activate the solenoid. Another possible reason for the malfunction could be due to incorrect wiring or configuration. It's crucial to ensure that your circuit is properly connected and configured according to the specifications provided in the datasheet. Let's take a look at an analogy to help illustrate this concept better. Think of the ESP32 board as a water pump and the solenoid lock as a garden hose with a nozzle at the end. If the water pressure from the pump is not strong enough, it won't be able to push the water through the hose and out the nozzle effectively. In our case, if the current output from the ESP32 board is too low, it might not be able to activate the solenoid lock properly. We need to ensure that we're providing sufficient water pressure, current, to get the job done. To summarize, here are the key points to take away. Understand the basic principles of how solenoid locks work and their compatibility with ESP32 boards. Ensure your circuit is properly connected and configured according to the specifications provided in the datasheet. Verify that the current output from the ESP32 board meets the requirements for activating the solenoid lock. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this explanation helpful in resolving the issue with your solenoid lock not working with the ESP32 Fire Beetle version. If you have any further questions or need clarification on any of the points discussed, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video informative and engaging, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and explanations on a wide range of topics related to ESP32 projects and DI electronics. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.